This is the Shure SM7B, and this is probably my favorite mic of all time and the favorite mic that I use in my talking head videos like this. Now, I just thought of making this quick video because of the release of the DJI Mic 2. But before we continue, if you're new to the channel, hi, my name is Nico. I create videos about camera gear, audio equipment, and desk setups. I'm not a professional photographer or videographer. I used to professionally edit at a podcast company, but all the opinions here on this channel is from a perspective of an everyday tech dad. Now, back to this microphone setup. Now, as I've mentioned, this is my favorite mic for talking head videos. I love how it sounds. The darker sounding tone is something that I like. And my usual setup is the SM7B is connected to an XLR cable, which is routed or connected to my Focusrite Scarlett 2i2, which is connected to my computer, which I then record into Adobe Audition. Sometimes if I have more time to set up, I even route a cable from the 2i2 straight to whatever camera I'm using. So I record the SM7B straight to the camera. But it got me thinking, could I actually record the SM7B to the DJI Mic 2's receiver? Well, of course, I know that I can record, and I've tried it actually with the DJI Mic 1, but since the SM7B is a low gain microphone, you would have to pull up the gain in post-production, and since the DJI Mic 1 doesn't have 32-bit float, you would hear a lot of noise. Now, since the introduction of the DJI Mic 2 and its capability to record 32-bit float recording into the transmitter, I wondered, can this be an alternative recording setup for my talking head videos? So I recorded audio both using my traditional setup via an audio interface like a Scarlett 2i2, and then I recorded another clip using the SM7B, but directly recording to the DJI Mic 2. And hear it how it sounds like. Alright, this is a mic test of the SM7B connected to my Focusrite 2i2, recording into Adobe Audition. Mic check, mic check. And now I'm going to test the same mic, but this time I'm going to plug it in the DJI Mic 2's transmitter and record it via that device. Mic check, mic check. I am now recording into the DJI Mic 2. Same setup, same distance from the mic, same microphone, SM7B, but now I changed the cable. I'm using an XLR to 3.5mm jack connected to the DJI Mic 2, recording in 32-bit float. Is there a difference in the audio quality from when I was using it with my Focusrite? Mic check, mic check, mic check, mic check. All right, so there you have it. In my opinion, I think I still prefer the sound of the SM7B when it's connected to the Scarlett 2i2. Now take note, when I use this with the Scarlett 2i2, I also have a FET head, which is a mic booster. Again, because this is a low gain mic, so that will boost its gain without that much noise. And I think that's where the difference is. Recording it to the DJI Mic 2 directly actually sounds better than what I was expecting. But then you would hear it if you make it loud, play it back louder. You'll hear the differences in the noise quality of the two mics. I think the DJI Mic 2 recording has a little bit more noise than the Scarlett 2i2. But if you didn't notice that and you have a low gain microphone like the SM7B, then I guess this setup would be good for you, because aside from, I don't have to route a long cable all the way there to my audio interface to my computer. Look at this setup. I'm recording right now on the DJI Mic 2. And it's magnetically attached to the stem of my mic stand here. So this is my audio recording setup, and I can even stand up, go to the back, and it's like I have a wireless Shure SM7B with me right now because of this. So that is my video for today about this setup. Please do share in the comments your thoughts below about this setup versus, my traditional setup. Which do you prefer? Do you think this is a useful setup, or is this just, you know, a gimmick that I think would be helpful for others? Please do share your thoughts below. And if you want to hear more of my thoughts on the DJI Mic 2, please do check out that video here.